Hi, welcome back. Another important update, but this is not that much important. Okay, let's get into the topic. But it actually, you must know, like if someone is tricking in interview, ask about this. But we don't have such kind of tools on SAP SD interview board, but it's okay. Let's see this. Seems that VBEH sent to retirement. That means this table is no more in ECC. I didn't check in S4 HANA. Currently, I don't have S4 HANA. Let's try to check in ECC. Okay, for schedule line history actually. Okay, so let's quickly getting into the topic. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. This is my YouTube channel. These are my set of Udemy courses. If you really want it, I'm just providing these links below video. 19 set of valuable content here and one free course also there. Just check if you like it and please subscribe to my channel. Okay. So I am telling only one thing, like if you're a beginner, then better get into this course 101 hours, and I'm trying to add this video also here. And SAP S4 HANA, if you're not yet introduced to S4, nowadays you will have your impression on interview board. 2 or 3 questions will be there on S4 HANA, or else completely S4 HANA interview will be there. It depends on their choice actually for SD. You try this CVA integration, and if you're not yet introduced to real time, so I just wanted to relieve your pain before writing your functional specification, because it is so painful for me in earlier days. If you want, you can try this course real time at your feet for less price. Okay. And if you wanted to, if you are worrying about idocs questions, try this. In future, I will add interview questions also. What kind of interview questions they will ask. So it's at a functional consultant level and a transportation. And I have specific courses for S4 and pricing also. If you want, you can give it a try. I'm just providing these links below of this video. And let's get into the topic now. Okay. So let's go to simply SE16N or SE16 VBE, not VBEP. Let's go to the VBEH. For schedule and history, something interesting for me. Okay. Wanted to quote, run this 0, nothing will be there. It went to retirement. I feel like if it is really working on your system, please send the screenshot. That is the proof. Generally, I don't believe anybody in SAP if they say orally. Okay. So it's went to retirement. So schedule and history. Then how we are going to check? Let's go to VBEP. This is the only thing. Okay. So let's give the specific document. We'll give this document and let's run this. Why we want all details. So you can able to get all details, like you can able to see this delivery date, and you'll get all total schedule and history here. Okay, all these are the different dates you have. So probably let me try to this one. You can able to see your transportation planning date, material available date, loading date, and goods issue date. And you will get the total list of things like, movement type and all those stuff. Now let's go to VA03. So before that, let's try to make a check. It is 31st now. Let's try to do manual editing. So for your logics, it's really useful. Let's get into this. Go to the schedule lines, and let's try to make this one as high quantity. No issues. Okay. So let's make it to this one. Okay, 4 quantity confirmed this one again. So let's go to the shipping. Let's try to make it to 30. Let's see. And this one is 30. This Loading date cannot be delivery date. That's what it is talking about. So probably this is the first. Okay, invalid date. No problem. Let's go for next one. Anyhow, let me check whether it is open document or not. It's troubling me. Anyhow, if you make changes, you can able to see in vbeh. So let's do the cancellation. Let's come here. Center. Double click again. Go to schedule lines. Try to increase from 10 quantity. The center. Okay. New date proposed. Let's save this. Let's go to SC16. Simply we can see this. Okay. I can able to change the dates, but I need to calculate it manually. See, now you got this one, right? So let's check this one now. Now look at here, right? Transportation planning date, material available date, and your goods issue date. Okay. So this is the order quantity. One is confirmed quantity. This is the quantity. Okay, that's fine. So what is the scope for you? What is the scope for you? I'm asking. vbeh. What is the scope for you? Here, you need not use. If someone is asking regarding this, you tell them it's a history in history for schedule lines. So nowadays, no one is using. Tell them vbep is the correct table. Okay, this is for SD folks. Thank you so much. For other consultants, it's an additional knowledge. Jai Bharat. Thank you. I wish you all